1. 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass F85. Price, $22,900, located Youngstown, Ohio. This 1965 Oldsmobile Cutlass F85 is a beautifully restored and highly desirable classic muscle car finished in an eye-catching red exterior with a matching red interior. The striking color combination highlights the elegant styling that made the Cutlass one of the most respected intermediate cars of the mid-60s. Under the hood is a professionally built 455 cubic inch Oldsmobile V8 engine that was assembled without compromise, producing an impressive 425 horsepower while maintaining excellent street manners and reliability. The engine is paired with an automatic transmission that delivers smooth shifting and effortless cruising. This Cutlass is reported to drive exceptionally well, offering strong acceleration, a deep muscle car exhaust note, and the confidence to enjoy long-distance trips or weekend cruises. The body remains remarkably clean with excellent paint quality, while the interior presents equally well with attractive upholstery and trim throughout. Additional value comes from the included original hood, a feature appreciated by collectors and enthusiasts alike. With a clean title, solid undercarriage, and rare factory styling, this Oldsmobile Cutlass F85 represents an outstanding opportunity to own a powerful and distinctive American classic. Subscribe to Fun Classic Cars for more amazing classic cars, hot rods, muscle cars, and rare automotive finds. 2. 1991 Ford Mustang LX 5.0 Hatchback. Price, $22,500, located Petersburg, Virginia. This 1991 Ford Mustang LX hatchback is a serious street and strip machine that has been extensively upgraded with high-performance components throughout. Finished in black with a matching black interior, this Fox body Mustang combines aggressive styling with a race-proven drivetrain and suspension package. Power comes from a freshly built 355 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine featuring AFR 227 aluminum heads, Brodix intake manifold, Lunati forged rotating assembly, SRP pistons, solid roller camshaft, electric water pump, and a high-flow racing carburetor. Backing the engine is a Powerglide transmission equipped with a Transbrake and performance torque converter, providing consistent launches and dependable operation. The rear suspension includes Team Z control arms, adjustable coilovers, anti-roll bar, narrowed rear housing, strange 35 spline axles, spool, and performance gearing. Additional upgrades include beadlock wheels, Kirky racing seats, aftermarket gauges, reinforced chassis components, and a complete nitrous system. This Mustang has been built with quality parts from front to rear and offers outstanding performance potential while retaining functional power windows and street-friendly features. 3. 1973 Plymouth Duster. Price, $35,000, located Bridgewater, New Jersey. This 1973 Plymouth Duster is a powerful Mopar muscle car that has been carefully built to deliver exceptional street performance and unmistakable presence. Under the hood is a 1969 Roadrunner Source 383 cubic inch engine professionally stroked to 438 cubic inches. The blueprint-built power plant features a performance camshaft, aluminum cylinder heads, headers, custom exhaust system, and a 4-barrel carburetor that provides strong throttle response and impressive horsepower. The engine is paired with a 3-speed automatic transmission operated through a ratchet shifter, giving the driver quick and precise gear selection. Power is transferred through a Moser rear end equipped with performance-oriented gearing, helping the car deliver strong acceleration and excellent traction. Upgraded front disc brakes provide improved stopping capability while maintaining confidence during spirited driving. Finished in gray, this Duster presents a clean and aggressive appearance that attracts attention wherever it goes. The car offers the ideal combination of classic Mopar styling, powerful V8 performance, and reliable mechanical upgrades, making it a desirable choice for cruising, car shows, and weekend enjoyment. 4. 1971 Ford Mustang Coupe. Price, $35,000, located Hampton, Virginia. This 1971 Ford Mustang Coupe is a well-preserved classic muscle car that has remained with the same owner for more than 5 decades. Finished in silver with a black interior, the car represents an excellent example of the larger-bodied Mustang generation that became famous for its aggressive styling and commanding road presence. The vehicle has been carefully maintained over the years and continues to attract attention from enthusiasts who appreciate classic Ford performance. Equipped with an automatic transmission, this Mustang offers a comfortable and enjoyable driving experience suitable for both weekend cruising and local car events. The long-term ownership history adds significant appeal, reflecting years of care and dedication to preserving this classic American icon. The vehicle is known among enthusiasts and has even been featured online as a Pro Street-styled Mustang. The clean title, solid condition, and enduring ownership history make this car especially attractive to collectors seeking a genuine classic. Combining timeless Mustang styling with strong overall presentation, this Ford remains a standout example from the early 70s muscle car era. 5. 1985 Ford Thunderbird Race Car. Price, $30,000, located Springfield, New Jersey. This 1985 Ford Thunderbird is a purpose-built super pro race car engineered for serious drag racing competition. Built around a powerful 500 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine, the car delivers exceptional horsepower and acceleration capable of producing highly competitive quarter-mile performance. The professionally assembled engine package is designed to provide dependable power while handling the demands of repeated racing use. A Powerglide transmission transfers power efficiently to a durable Dana 60 rear end, creating a drivetrain combination widely respected throughout the drag racing community. Together, these components provide the strength and reliability necessary for high horsepower applications and consistent track results. The vehicle has been configured specifically for competition and is reported to run impressive elapsed times in the quarter mile. Finished in green with a gray interior, this Thunderbird presents a unique appearance that separates it from more common race car platforms. The car is described as race-ready and capable of heading directly to the track. For racers seeking a proven combination with substantial power and established performance credentials, this Thunderbird offers an outstanding opportunity. 6. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $42,000, located Middletown, New York. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is a classic first-generation muscle car that combines original body integrity with impressive big block performance. Finished in attractive burgundy with a black interior, the car retains its original sheet metal, making it especially appealing to enthusiasts who value authenticity and preservation. Under the hood is a powerful 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine that provides substantial horsepower and torque for exhilarating acceleration. The engine is paired with a turbo 400 automatic transmission and a durable 12-bolt rear axle, creating a proven drivetrain combination capable of handling serious performance. Despite its power, the Camaro maintains a full interior, allowing it to remain comfortable and enjoyable for cruising, shows, and weekend driving. The vehicle has never been heavily modified or cut apart, preserving much of its original character and structure. Additional wheel options are included, giving future owners flexibility in appearance and style. With its desirable first-generation Camaro design, big block power, and strong overall condition, this Chevrolet represents an outstanding example of classic American muscle. 7. 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air Convertible. Price, $60,000, located Wintersville, Ohio. This 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible is an iconic American classic that combines timeless styling with strong performance upgrades. Widely regarded as one of the most desirable vehicles of the 50s, this Bel Air features a fresh 383 cubic inch stroker V8 engine built with roller rockers, Edelbrock aluminum cylinder heads, Hedman headers, and quality performance components. The engine has accumulated very limited mileage since completion and remains exceptionally fresh. Power is delivered through a legendary Muncie Rock Crusher 4-speed manual transmission, providing a true muscle car driving experience. The vehicle also benefits from a straight axle setup, restored braking system, and a highly presentable exterior finish that continues to attract attention wherever it appears. The convertible top and interior remain in very clean condition, adding to the overall appeal of the car. Included with the sale are additional performance parts, including an extra 400 cubic inch long block and a Kragar blower setup. Combining classic styling, desirable upgrades, and collector appeal, this Bel Air convertible represents an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts and collectors alike. 8. 1966 Dodge Coronet 440. Price, $6,500, located Crewe, Virginia. This 1966 Dodge Coronet 440 is a solid Mopar project that offers an exceptional foundation for restoration, customization, or high-performance street machine construction. The vehicle is being offered as a roller and includes a second two-door Coronet parts car, providing valuable components and additional restoration possibilities. Finished in blue with a black interior, the car retains its classic mid-60s muscle car appearance and strong collector appeal. The body is described as exceptionally solid with no significant rust issues, solid floors, and a clean trunk area protected with quality rust prevention coating. Extensive upgrades have already been completed, including a front disc brake conversion, new suspension components, new brake lines, mini-tub modifications, relocated rear springs, frame connectors, roll bar installation, and a replacement fuel tank with sender unit. Additional features include green-tinted factory glass, new front and rear windshields, new wheels and tires, replacement weather stripping, body gaskets, and an upgraded rear axle assembly. This Coronet presents an excellent opportunity for Mopar enthusiasts seeking a strong project with substantial groundwork already completed. 9. 1996 Chevrolet Beretta Z26 Drag Car. Price, $60,000, located Appomattox, Virginia. This 1996 Chevrolet Beretta Z26 drag car is a professionally built competition vehicle engineered for serious quarter-mile performance. Constructed by renowned chassis builder Jerry Bickle, the car features a certified chromoly round-tube chassis and advanced safety structure designed to meet demanding racing requirements. The lightweight platform has been developed specifically for high-performance drag racing applications while maintaining exceptional strength and durability. Power comes from a formidable 632 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine featuring high compression internals and professionally prepared cylinder heads. Fuel delivery is handled through a racing carburetor setup designed for maximum airflow and horsepower production. The drivetrain includes a reed case Powerglide transmission equipped with a trans brake and a heavy-duty Fab 9 rear axle with aggressive performance gearing. Additional features include advanced racepack instrumentation and data logging systems that allow detailed monitoring of vehicle performance. Weighing approximately 2,150 pounds without a driver, the Beretta has demonstrated impressive elapsed times on the drag strip. This race-ready Chevrolet represents a highly competitive package for serious racers seeking proven performance and professional construction. 10. 1973 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $12,500, located Virginia Beach, Virginia. This 1973 Chevrolet Vega is a purpose-built drag racing machine designed for enthusiasts who appreciate lightweight performance and proven track capability. Finished in red with a gray interior, this race-focused Vega combines a compact body with a powerful drivetrain package that delivers impressive acceleration and competitive quarter-mile performance. The vehicle has been assembled specifically for racing and offers a strong foundation for continued track use. Power comes from a 383 cubic inch small block Chevrolet engine featuring high compression internals, aluminum cylinder heads, a solid lifter camshaft, and a performance carburetor setup. The engine is paired with a TH350 automatic transmission that efficiently transfers power to a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with aggressive performance gearing and a spool differential. Additional racing components include a fuel cell, lightweight Lexan windows, and a chassis configuration optimized for drag strip performance. The combination of lightweight construction and substantial horsepower makes this Vega an exciting race vehicle. Built strictly for competition use, it offers serious performance potential for racers seeking a capable and affordable drag racing platform. 11. 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS. Price, $42,500, located Larimer, Pennsylvania. This 1970 Chevrolet Chevelle SS is a genuine super sport muscle car that combines iconic styling with substantial big block performance. Finished in striking red with a black bench seat interior, the vehicle captures the appearance and character that made the Chevelle one of the most respected American muscle cars ever produced. The body presents well and retains the aggressive design features that continue to make the model highly sought after among collectors and enthusiasts. Although the original engine is no longer installed, the car now benefits from a powerful 454 cubic inch Chevrolet V8 engine equipped with an XL fuel injection system that improves drivability, throttle response, and overall performance. The drivetrain is completed by a turbo 400 automatic transmission and the original 12-bolt positraction rear axle fitted with performance-oriented gearing. An original cowl induction hood is included with the vehicle, adding further appeal and authenticity. Combining classic muscle car styling, proven mechanical upgrades, and true SS heritage, this Chevrolet Chevelle offers an outstanding opportunity for enthusiasts seeking a powerful and desirable American classic. 12. 1971 Chevrolet Nova. Price, $16,500, located Bordentown, New Jersey. This 1971 Chevrolet Nova is a serious street and strip machine powered by a formidable 468 cubic inch big block Chevrolet engine. Finished in gray with a black interior, the car combines classic Nova styling with a performance package designed to deliver exceptional acceleration and strong overall reliability. The engine features aluminum cylinder heads, aluminum intake manifold, roller rockers, performance camshaft, and a high-flow Holley carburetor that provides excellent power throughout the operating range. Backing the engine is a durable turbo 400 automatic transmission connected to a Mark Williams rear end with heavy-duty axles and aggressive performance gearing. Additional upgrades include an aluminum radiator, electric water pump, electric cooling fan, MSD ignition system, performance distributor, fuel cell, and high-capacity electric fuel pump. The vehicle is also equipped with a roll cage, fiberglass hood, fiberglass bumpers, and upgraded starting components to enhance both safety and performance. New tires help complete the package. With its impressive drivetrain combination and proven performance equipment, the Chevrolet Nova offers outstanding value for enthusiasts seeking a powerful big block muscle car.